The SEC is absolutely unhinged. It is unbelievable what they did. So let's look at this. All right. Brad Garlinghouse comments on what happened, and then I'll show you what happened. He says, a new low for a renegade agency many thought couldn't sink farther. The SEC now believes it can operate above the law, ignoring a court's ruling that XRP isn't a security. Team Ripple will be watching closely and weighing our options to hold the SEC accountable. Dude, the SEC is starting to get attacked from all fronts, and this is in response to Bitnomial. Bitnomial filed a lawsuit against the SEC to prevent them from overreaching their statutory authority and asserting joint jurisdiction over Bitnomial's XRP futures contracts, which are under the sole jurisdiction of the CFTC. So the SEC came after Bitnomial when they announced that they were going to be launching XRP futures. The SEC tried to stop them and say, you can't do that because XRP is a security. After the ruling last year where the judge declared that it was not a security. The SEC is directly defying the law that they went to court to settle and get clarity on. It is so unbelievable how unhinged the SEC is. So Cowboy here comments, I hope that Ripple sues the SEC into the ground for damages they have brought to this industry. And it really does look like almost an Avengers style team up of all these people in the crypto space to take the fight to the SEC and go after them, as opposed to just letting the SEC attack everyone and defending themselves. Now they're going on the attack. And by the sounds of it from Brad Garlinghouse, they're thinking about doing the same. Vet here even says, yeah, Ripple should sue the SEC. And that's what everyone's saying. So maybe that is what is to come next. Now, aside from that, let's go through some other stuff. General market update, a little bit of hopium for the day. We had a solid push up for Bitcoin today, touched over 63K. Don't really love where this daily is looking like it might close in about 15 minutes. I don't think that's great. This does, who knows, man. We'll see. Hopefully this can continue and we can get a breakout, another higher low here, right? But we'll have to wait. Time will tell. XRP didn't really do much. Most of the altcoins, well, not most of them. Meme coins, I think, went pretty crazy today, and some other meme coins, or some other altcoins. But the big news, or bigger, right? Stocks were going ballistic. MicroStrategy was pushing into new all-time highs, which this kind of was a leading indicator last year in October before Bitcoin started to break out, right? MicroStrategy kind of broke out first. So could this be a leading indicator again? Maybe, hopefully. Let's see, right? But that's a good sign. Stock market also at all-time highs. The Russell trying to get another breakout here. So hopefully that's to come. Let's go through some more tweets. Oh, so this was the other big news. Chris Larsen donated $1 million of XRP to Kamala Harris. So I'll just play you this this clip right here and make sure the audio's on.
People are going nuts over this. So Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen has made the first documented crypto donation, $1 million in XRP to Kamala Harris. Everybody's freaking out over this. If that's how you do your investments, and that's your investment thesis, is based on Chris Larsen's political view, you're going to get wrecked in these markets. True. The system is switching no matter who he gives his money to. The system is changing no matter who becomes president. It'll look very different if it's left versus right or right versus left. But Chris Larsen's donation ain't going to change anything with blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology, and the system completely switching. Don't make your investments based on some emotional response based on Chris Larsen's investments for Kamala Harris. And he ain't changing the system, and there's much bigger players running the financial system. Warriors! Get your shit together. Love you.
Great little video there from Coach JV. Let's continue, though. Alex Cobb said, I would like to offer a live stream, and I said, don't do it, man. Please don't. We're not going to break out. I mean, he didn't live stream, but we still haven't broken out. I don't know. Hopefully we could get this move back up, right? Seems like every time we clear this area, it kind of moves pretty quick. 54.5 cents or so. We need to break through there, but right now, having trouble doing it. So, tech dev, most aren't ready for what lies ahead. Blockchain backer commenting on the Russell, right? Russell just took back 3 weeks of price action in one day. Here from AB Trades, September 11th of 2023, Bitcoin gives its final dip and chops until October 10th before going parabolic. September 11th, 2024, gives its final dip and chops till October 10th before it goes parabolic. So showing similarities from last year, which we've been looking at pretty consistently, how similar it looks to last year's consolidation and breakout. Jake Claver here comments, stablecoin regulations in 2024 will save the US dollar and our bond market, in my opinion. So this is really what's important for us also as utility coin holders. We really want to see regulation come into effect. And specifically with the stable coins, what do we have right around the corner? RLUSD, Ripple stablecoin on the XRP ledger. So it all kind of ties in together, in my opinion, and it will be very good to see when all this comes along. Here from Chad Steingraber, Payments Award for the best fiat crypto, Ripple, spanning 55 countries, focused on regulatory compliance, XRP, RLUSD. So just another award from the power of payments. I don't know who this award is exactly from, but yeah, there you go. Nice to see. Here from Neste, we're consistently copying last year's structure. A range breakout is the next in the sequence. Again, showing where we're at and how it looks like we are probably about to get that breakout into all-time highs finally. And also from Blockchain Backer, commenting on MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy sets a new all-time high. Poking through, looking strong. Hopefully, that leading indicator for Bitcoin. And finally, from Crypto Michael, my entire net worth is in crypto. I will only turn cautious if Bitcoin breaks below 60K or reject 67K. Until then, I'm bullish. And me too, man. I am also bullish. But I hope you enjoyed this little update. Let's try and abolish the SEC. Get Gary out of there. And if you did like it, leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.